The OneLake catalog is the central place to discover, govern, and secure your data in Fabric. Let's see it in action. I'll start by browsing the sales domains for optimized discovery per my business needs. When I see the domain branding, I know I'm in the right place. To find what I need, I can filter by ownership, endorsement, favorite, workspace, or tags. And the catalog provides a complete view of all item types, like reports, lakehouses, and semantic models. Clicking any item surfaces detailed metadata, including the item description, applied tags, ownership details, and workspace location. I can drill into a data item to view tables and columns, see related metadata such as descriptions, and quickly search for specific objects. The Lineage tab shows me the flow of data from its source to its destination. Monitor tracks refresh history and execution status, while Permissions provides visibility into who has access. And it's not just about exploration. I can also take action directly from here, such as sharing, editing, or curating items using the auto summary feature without switching context. I also need to make sure that data I'm responsible for is well governed. And that's where the Govern tab comes in. I get key insights at a glance, such as the number and type of items I own, and can click to see more. Report View highlights important information like data hierarchy and metadata attributes across items I own. And I can chat with my data using Copilot or filter and drill into areas of interest. Back on the main view, I see recommended governance actions like increasing sensitivity label coverage and can click for an overview on the issue and the steps I can take. I can also access governance solutions, resources, and integrated capabilities. Also, Fabric admins can now view insights and recommendations for their tenant-wide data estate. Security is managed separately in the Secure tab. From here, I can see who has access to content and modify role policies. View Users gives me a list of everyone's access and the roles they hold in workspaces. From View Security Roles, I see role definitions, names, types, and permissions. I can adjust the scope by adding or removing paths, and review or update members. OneLake Catalog is integrated into more than 100 surfaces across Fabric and Office, including Teams and Excel, and gives me everything I need to discover, govern, and secure data in a single, seamless experience.